What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to answer a question that was given to me earlier about clarifying the high and the low of the day, and I will give this illustration with a trade that I took in the New York session. I hope you get clarified. Now, the high and the low of the day is usually the highest point or the highest price has reached that day, or the lowest price or point that price has reached that day. And as you can see, using TradingView, there's a tool that I use called session breaks. It breaks my days from the beginning of Asia to the end of New York. Now, as you can see, this is the high of the day. Apparently today is Monday, so it's also the high of the week, and that is very important to note, because now it is the high of the day, high of the week. And when we go to the 1 minute time frame, the process is the same. The first 1 hour of the New York session sets the high and the low of the session. As you can see, that is 8 to 9 a.m. New York Eastern Time, sets the high and the low of the session. But as you can see, this was the high of the day. The first hour broke above in a very big pump. As you can see, these candles are ascending and getting people to buy higher. The second hour, now we have our new high of the day up here. The second hour, that is where we pay close attention. We come and now, also before I continue, price has moved in 3 pushes. Price has moved in 3 50-pip pushes or 50-pip boxes. These lines represent 50 pips, 50 pips. And if we measure from the high of the day, from the low of the day to the high of the day, you see it's 154 pips. 150 pips. So that's 3 50-pip boxes. To me, that is a signal that we might be getting a reversal. Then we got that M pattern in the second hour above the high of the day, that M pattern, and then we broke structure. As you can see, we've broken structure. This line, we've broken structure. So what am I expecting? A pullback with an engulfment for my move down. Simple, nothing complicated. And as you can see, that is what happened. Price made an M pattern, broke structure, retested, and then that engulfment. That was my in. It was about, just 2 minutes. 2 minutes after the open of the last candle before the market opens at 9:30. It was 9:18. But you can see that at the back of my mind, I knew that before 9:30 opens, we might be getting a stop hunt. But this M pattern above double zeros after a 3 push pattern, that was confirmation for me that this engulfment was a nice entry for me. And as you can see, it was a nice setup, but also there was another entry at 9:28, another engulfment. So I hope you understood the high and the low of the day and the significance of the high and the low of the day, especially if it's the high of the day, high of the week. Probability of getting a reversal is very high. So also, this is a pump and dump setup. This is a simple textbook setup for 50 pips, 30 pips, 25 pips. Whatever you get out of the market, that is your own business. But understanding the high and the low of the day, high and the low of the session, high and the low of the week, high and the low of the month, the pump and dump setup. That is how I operate. Simple, very simple, and this is easily reproducible. If I don't see something like this in any of the instruments, I am not trading. Simple. So hopefully you got value. I hope I answered your question. So yeah, keep trading, keep learning, keep asking questions. I will try as much as possible to answer them. So hopefully you got value from today's video. If you like this kind of videos, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace out.